Welcome back to RPA Trucking and Survival. This video today has nothing to do with my personal beliefs, my opinions, or anything like that. It has to do with nothing but solid, profound truth. Transgender, gay, there are a lot in the trucking community. We've all seen them. I want to make it clear. Treat human beings like human beings, okay? No matter what it is that they believe, no matter what it is, what sexual preference that they have, whatever, physical deformities. Okay, you wouldn't bash on a kid with Down syndrome unless you're about 5 or 6 years old. So don't do it to other human beings. People have feelings. People have... And mental illness is very serious in this country today. There are people dealing with depression, and you come at them, okay, with your hate and your stupidity and your misunderstanding. If you're unhappy with yourself, that's one thing. Go be unhappy with other unhappy people, but don't bring it to me, and don't bring it to anyone different than you, okay? Like our moms used to say in the past, and teachers and whoever, if you don't have anything nice to say, just don't say it. If you have any kind of shit to talk about transgenders, gays, someone, and then of course, you know, just people, maybe somebody made a mistake on coupling or uncoupling, things like that, you know. Don't come at me with any trash talk. Don't come at me with any of that crap. If you want to talk about factual things, about truth, okay. I have my beliefs when it comes to gays and transgenders, but that's not what this video is about. This is simply about being a human being to other human beings, and it's simple as that. You know, when I was a kid, teenager, and there were, you know, gays that came out, and guys would always... I just never saw why it bothered them so much. And now today, hey, it was either they were gay as well, or they didn't want other people to think they were gay. And how stupid is that, right? You know, as a kid, you're still growing up. You're building your confidence, you're building this, you're building that, but it's still not an excuse. And especially now as an adult, now that you're supposed to be confident and you're supposed to be solid in your own frame, and we're still dealing with that bullshit today. I've heard some things, I've seen some things, and I've said some things about it. I've told people off for not treating other human beings like human beings. So if you come at me with that bullshit, okay, because transgender and gay is I don't want to say rampant because that sounds bad, but there's a lot of gays and transgenders in the trucking community. So dude, just treat them like human beings, man. They're not gonna, it's not the cooties, okay? And if you disagree, and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell next to the subscribe so that you can get notifications on future videos. Okay, so that's all I'm about, man. No matter what of your beliefs and your opinions, talk with other people of like-minded thoughts and opinions, and keep it there. Don't go to people individually and start bashing and hating on them, because that's some elementary bullshit. Anyway, hit that like button. That ain't what this video is about today, but hit that like and subscribe to get this message out, because this is something that I've seen. This is something that I have been approached on. And people have had their feelings hurt, man. And you know what? In this day and age, there's a lot of people dealing with mental illness. There's a lot of people dealing with depression. There's a lot of people that are in a bad place just trying to get right again. And you're fucking up their progress. And excuse the language, but it ain't right, man. Think about the next person's soul, the next person's feelings, the next person's being. And you know what, dude? That negative energy, it's gonna come right back around to you and bite you in the ass. That's probably why a lot of shit goes wrong in your life, keeping you at what I like to call a low vibration. You keep staying at a low vibe, the universe is going to keep bringing about to you low vibes. Just worry about you, yourself, and I, and that's it. You'll be all right. Like, comment, subscribe, RPA Trucking and Survival. I'll see you guys on the road. All you guys take care. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. And Christmas is coming up. Yeah! See you later, man.